Here the winds were blowing at about 15 knots from the northwest. And you can see that within 30 seconds of the boat being in neutral, it goes from the bow being in the leading condition, which was waves and the wind, to it being beam to the leading condition and putting the vessel in an unstable, unsafe position. Take-home message here is that by the time you're doing a man overboard and your vessel is initially beamed to the leading condition, in less than a minute you will be in a position that will put the vessel and the personnel in danger as the conditions hit the beam of the vessel, rocking it and listing it.